Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add reviews to Shopify from Aliexpress in really few steps. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, let's just open Aliexpress and then click on apps in Shopify. Right here with the Shopify App Store, and okay, let's choose an account. Let's wait and let's just write here looks review, and here you can see product reviews, photo reviews. Let's click on it, add application, and when I got here, yes, install application. Now when we got it, we use looks for free, and okay, let's get started. English, continue, 14 days, okay. Now, and when we have it, you want to click on dashboard, and right here click import reviews, and take you need to drag it to your bookmarks bar, but what I need to do is to first go to settings and go to advanced, like this, import loot box, okay. Add page, URL, name Shopify, here we got it. So when we have it, what I'm going to do in Aliexpress, click like on this one here, let's open it, and we see all the reviews here. So what I'm going to do, I'll just click on this, the import loot box, import to. You can choose where you want to import it. Reviews to scan, you can have 20 reviews or 100 reviews. Rating, 5 stars only or 4 stars and up. Reviews from, you can also choose a country, which one you want it from. It's like really simple and really easy. And to English, okay. Fetch most recent reviews, okay. Preview and import, and we can reject, import, and this is how you can like really choose which one you want to import and which one you don't want to import. And this is how you can simply add reviews to your Shopify store from Aliexpress. So thank you very much, have a great day, and goodbye, see ya.